Now this question comes from Gail. Hello, Steve. And my husband and I enjoy your newsletters. We always read your newspaper column in the Ottawa Citizen, so thank you very much. We're interested in one of the Aquanui water distiller systems like you have. My husband had some questions and you might be in a good position to answer. We're outside of Smiths Falls, Ontario, and we're wondering what sort of duties, taxes, and brokerage fees we'll encounter if we go ahead with the purchase. Since the distiller is made in the U.S., maybe it's covered under a free trade agreement. Many thanks. Look forward to hearing from you. Well, yes, I own an Aquanui water distiller. If you've seen my other stuff before, you know that I really value drinking distilled water. There's lots of reasons for that. I think it's a health boost. I know from my own experience and my family's experience that it offers benefits, some real benefits, even if you live in a situation where you're not concerned about contamination of your water. Like where I live, there's not a factory within 100 miles, and my well is 143 feet deep in limestone. So it's pretty pure as water goes, but it also has a lot of minerals in it. And believe it or not, waterborne minerals of that kind, non-organic, non-chelated minerals, can cause problems in your body. But I won't go into that now. There's lots more information about my feelings about distilled water and my experiences on my website. As far as importing one of these things goes, the best advice I can give you is to open up an account with a broker who can bring these things across the border, a customs broker. If you just, say, ship by one of the regular couriers and they handle the customs brokerage, they can and usually do soak you for very high prices and fees. I happen to have an account with an outfit called Near North Customs Broker. I'm just a little guy. I might import something, once every couple of months. So I'm not a big account, but they still take really good care of me. They're very efficient. They've never made a mistake, and their fees are certainly reasonable, far more reasonable than courier companies for the actual brokerage. So that would be my recommendation to you. And as far as the company goes, I've had great results with them. They make this product right in the U.S. They're on the ball. They have excellent customer service. I've had my unit for, I can't remember exactly, maybe 3 or 4 years now, and it gets a lot of use. Not only does my family drink water from it, but it automatically produces water enough that I can share it with neighbors and things, so it gets a lot of use. I did have an issue with a burned out element maybe a year or so ago. Parts were easy to order. They were reasonably priced. It was easy to fix. So all in all, I'm a happy customer, and I can certainly recommend that brand and that way of getting the product into Canada or any other country that you might live in other than the States. So there you go.